Hey, I know everybody just wants to see my puppy, so that's what we're gonna do right now, okay? Yes. Here she is. Can you say hi, Lexi? She's gonna bark for you. This is her first camera. She's a little scared. Here, I'll come over here so we can see you. Hi. Yeah. She loves the camera. Isn't she just like the best puppy ever? I know. She wants to come inside really bad, but she's a little wet because it's rained. Yep. Here, come chew this. Come chew. Go get it. Yeah, she's not really into the camera right now. I'm sorry. Oh, she's gonna bark for us a little more. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.